Hey folks, that dense fog advisory just issued a few minutes ago by the National Weather Service in effect for the coastal portions of the valley until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. And of course, that includes everything from Port Isabel into South Padre Island up to Port Mansfield, Arroyo City, right on the edge of it. Of course, the bay waters and the Gulf waters all under that advisory. Again, dense fog likely at the coast all night tonight and into the early morning hours tomorrow. Now, the picture from outer space today looks like this. An awful lot of clouds moving into Texas. There's not a front here yet, but it'll be in the state tomorrow. When it gets here, it's going to make a big change, especially for Friday and for Saturday. Here's your cloud cover over the valley, and there's been some breaks today. A little bit of afternoon sunshine. Some of you seeing a nice sunset out there, others not so much. Tomorrow morning, we're still cloudy for the most part. There'll be some breaks tomorrow as well. The first push of cool air comes in during the daytime tomorrow, shifting the winds, maybe triggering a brief shower. Then you saw the second front go through late night tomorrow night into early Friday. And when that happens, it just turns messy. Chilly, damp, windy. Again, temperatures falling from 50 into the 40s probably during the daytime on Friday with just thick overcast and from time to time some light rain and drizzle. And it doesn't change on Saturday. Still overcast, still light rain and drizzle around the area. The wind may diminish a little bit during the daytime finally, but the clouds are not going away. It just stays messy on Saturday as well. So 20% late tomorrow, then 70-50 for Friday, Saturday. And it's all light stuff. Nothing measurable, yes, but nothing big. Probably not much more than 1/4 of an inch at most across most of the area by the time it's all over with, but still kind of messy out there. Temperature-wise, here's where we stand right now. Look at this. Still 80 plus in the western half of the valley, upper 70s in the east. A very warm day across the region for this time of year. Tonight, no cooler than about 70. 71 Brownsville, 69 Raymondville, and then tomorrow, not quite as warm as today, but we are back to about 80 or so. But that first front sweeps in from the west early, and that kind of puts a lid on temperatures. So the western part of the valley probably not as warm as the east tomorrow, but then everybody's cool on Friday. 50 Friday. With falling temperatures, we'll probably start the day at 50 and then drop into the 40s and stay there all night Friday night, all day Saturday, and then Saturday night we warm back up, and by Sunday, perhaps back in the low 70s. Satellite and radar showing off a lot of clouds across the region today. Fronts all over the place, but let's watch for one to come into the valley. Here comes number one. It comes in tomorrow afternoon. Number two then comes in tomorrow night. That brings the cold air in. Look at all the isobars, all those lines of equal pressure. The more they are, the more there are, the windier it is, and it stays pretty breezy on Saturday as well. By Sunday, front turns around, goes back to the north. There's a warm front, and with that, we get back to normal once again. At the coast, winds out of the southeast, turning around to the northeast at about 10 to 20. A moderate chop. UV is high. Small craft operators urged to use caution. There's a moderate rip current risk. So for tonight, 70. Mostly cloudy, muggy, southeast winds. Then tomorrow, back up to 80 degrees again. A lot of clouds, a breezy day. Southeast winds early, turning around to the north as the day goes on at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. So 80 tomorrow, 50 on Friday, and that's in the morning. Temperatures actually drop into the mid-40s by afternoon on Friday. Saturday, only 49 for a high, and then look at that, back to 81 by Monday. Another front Tuesday into Wednesday will cool things off a little bit for the middle of next week. But the bottom line is, if you like warm weather, enjoy tomorrow, because Friday will be a way different day. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.